Welcome to the Hyatt Centric The Pike Long Beach. In this video, we'll take you on a quick walkthrough of the hotel grounds and our room. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to help us reach our goal of getting 1,000 subscribers. First, we were welcomed into the open concept lobby with hints of modern nautical decor. To the left is the Watercraft Market and Lounge. The market is open from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. for breakfast and lunch and reopens as the lounge from 4 to 11 p.m. on Thursdays through Saturdays, where you can relax and sip a couple of cocktails or beers. Right outside the lobby is an outdoor courtyard with fire pit that you can enjoy on those chilly evenings. Off we go to our room, where the hallways especially reflect the hotel's nautical theme. We stayed in a one king bedroom that first opens up to a distinct seating area. The full-size sofa opens up to a double bed if needed. Next stop was the rooftop pool, where you get 360-degree panoramic views of Long Beach. There's a small fitness center where only 2 people can really fit at a time. For breakfast the next morning, we went down to Watercraft Market for some omelets. The hotel is in a very good location to explore surrounding sites, including the Aquarium of the Pacific, the Queen Mary, and Alamitos Beach.